Auto designer, driver, and engineer Bruce McLaren once said, "There's no such thing as good luck. There's only good preparation and hard work." And that's great advice whether you're looking to blaze the track or tune up your enterprise security. Hi, I'm Andre Durand, CEO of Ping Identity, and I believe identity security is the engine that drives a more personal and extraordinary digital experience for your enterprise and your users. I want to show you how we can help make your universe more secure and more powerful. Join me for Ping Universe Virtual on October 6th. Myself, other Ping executives, and your peers will discuss identity innovations for a successful tomorrow and sweet digital experiences. Rev up your expertise with our technical workshops, and don't miss our Ping Identity product roadmap presentation, plus some very exciting announcements. This event will put you in the driver's seat. I'll see you there.